guys, it's amazing. Anyway, we just want to get it to the fans and to know that it is coming up to Christmas. And it is a must. You need to marinate your chicken, your beef, your lamb, your turkey, your curry goat, and all of these things. Anyway, and I'm gonna show you today how you can do your special roast chicken for Christmas. It's an amazing recipe. I got 3 older chicken right here, and they are whole roast chicken. They call this one roast chicken. All right. So what I want to do is to show you how to season it and marinate it. I got a lot of video on my YouTube channel how to cook the chicken, and I mean, but I want to give you a special way of roasting it this time for Christmas. Guys, it is amazing. Anyway, let's take it away. Let's not waste any time. We got the Jamaican Valley season which we're going to be using. So first of all, let's go into the Jamaican Valley season section. This is, we're gonna use ½ teaspoon of the jerk seasoning, and also some all-purpose seasoning, ½ teaspoon of the all-purpose seasoning. Nice one. And also the Jamaican Valley chicken season. We're going to use some on it. This is the chicken season one. We're gonna use ½ teaspoon of it also. And also we got the chicken spice one. We're gonna use ½ teaspoon. Nice one. Lovely. Then we got some pimento seed. We're gonna put a few on it, bringing a lovely flavor. We got some fresh Jamaican thyme. It's a must. With the Jamaican thyme, we're gonna put some fresh Jamaican thyme on it. Lovely and nice. Second thing, we have some spring onion. We're just gonna simply cut up the spring onion. All right, lovely. Put some spring onion on it. We're gonna put a piece of white onion. Lovely. Let's take it away. This is Christmas. Nice and lovely. We have some fresh garlic right here. We're gonna put 1, 2, 3, and I'm gonna chop up 3 finally to bring in a lovely flavor to the chicken. Nice and lovely. Yes. Then after we do that, I have 2 medium-sized carrots, which I'm going to cut them up chunky, roast them off inside of it, so nice and lovely. Yeah, that is how we're going to do it. So the reason why you might have said, why putting carrot on the roast chicken? When you're roasting the chicken, you can put the chicken on the carrot. All right, and that's bringing a lovely flavor. Right over here, I have some potato, which I've already peeled. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut them into red, like wedges. I'm cutting the potato them into wedges. So basically, you can rest the chicken on the potato, and that's going to bring in a lovely flavor when you're going to do your Christmas roast chicken, guys. It's going to be amazing. Oh, I wash my chicken early. I use some, you can use a vinegar or you can use lemon. And I'm going to use lemon to wash my chicken. So that's bringing a lovely flavor. I have a whole of garlic. What I'm going to do is just bust my garlic into half. All you need to do is just to remove some of the shell on the outside and cut into half. Break up that on the chicken. Right over here, that's how the chicken look. So lovely and nice, and this is exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about. Lovely. Next thing, you're gonna put some paprika. You're gonna put some oil. Just put a little bit of paprika on it. So one of the first, guys, let's see what else we can do. Let's put a little bit more of the paprika. Yeah, just a little pinch more paprika on it like that. I just put a little bit of paprika. Second thing, I'm going to get some butter. 1, 2, and this is some unsalted butter. 3 large tablespoons of butter. All right, on the chicken. We already put some oil. So what we're going to do now is get 2 medium-sized gloves. Make sure you marinate your chicken when you have on your gloves, guys. Alright, very important. We use up the Jamaican Valley season. That's gonna bring in a lovely flavor to the chicken. Alright, so what you need to do is Getting all of those season and everything on the chicken. Alright, which we just been using. And I put some paprika on it, roughly about 2 large tablespoons of paprika. What I'm going to do, guys, sorry about this. This need a little bit more, some olive oil or vegetable oil, whatever oil you're going to use. It's nice to put a lot of oil on it when you're doing such a roast chicken like this. It's good to use a lot of oil on it. Not too much oil, but you know, oil to make the chicken really marinated properly. So let's go back into business with the chicken, because we're not mucking about with this chicken today. This chicken must come out lovely and nice in the oven when you're gonna roast this for Christmas. So basically, as you can see, that looking so lovely and nice. Make sure the chicken marinate it up properly. Get all over the whole of the chicken, bringing that nice lovely flavor on the chicken. Oh my god, look at these lovely birds. They're so beautiful. It's Christmas, guys, and honestly, this time of year time, everyone feel lovely and nice, honestly. So what we're gonna do, use the butter and rub the chicken on the outside of it. Alright, make sure you rub it up good and put some of the seasoning them in the inside of the chicken. Alright, this is a lovely bird. I love this one. This one really nice. This one we're gonna rub it up with the butter all over it. Nice and lovely. Put some seasoning on the inside. Nice one. This is the next bird. We're gonna rub it up with some butter. So when you're gonna roast the chicken now, what happens is gonna be coming, the outside of it gonna be coming out so tasty and nice, because the butter gonna make the chicken really crispy. So this is exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about right here. So once you get the chicken marinated like this, you're good to go with a lot of garlic and a lot of seasoning and a lot of natural season, guys. Is going to be amazing this Christmas. So that's what I'm saying, I need to show the fans them how to do their special roast chicken for this Christmas. It's going to be lovely, tasty and nice. As you can see exactly what's going on, the paprika gonna make it look a little bit different also. So basically chicken look good, and hopefully guys will definitely love the chicken, the roast chicken, which I'm showing you how to marinate it. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and also we got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming. Stay tuned.